Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome to another time with Mayowa Owolabi, where we're going to be dealing with what we have for the week. You're welcome. If this is your first time watching this video, you want to click on the subscribe button and make sure you also click on the notification bell so you will not miss out in the next video that we are going to be chunking out for you. Guys, all you need to do is to sit down, get your pen right now. I want to share with you about four potential trades that I am looking out in this week. However, I want you to make sure that you always use your confirmation list, your confirmation checklist before you enter the trade, okay? Because I don't trade the higher time frame, I trade on lower time frame, but my analysis is done on the higher time frame so that I would not miss out in any of the trade. Okay guys, let's get it done. Super excited, pumped up already. So this week I'm watching out for USD Chef. And why am I looking at on USD Chef on the monthly time frame? You guys will agree with me that this guy is being controlled by an amazing drop-based rally, and rally-based rally. So right now there is nothing to do on this pair than to always look for a buy. Okay, so having said that, where are we going to be looking for the buy? I need to go to lower time frame to see the behavior, which is weekly. So I'm coming back to weekly time frame, and on my weekly time frame I can see that we have a liquidity level created, which is an equal high. So I need to see the market retrace back here. So I'll use my buy trend line to be able to back this up. Okay, then I will go next to daily. Okay, so on my daily time frame I have two demands right here. I have this zone as a demand daily time frame, and I have this zone as a demand. Now, Mr. Mayowa, which one we hold? It has to do with the one that has the order flow. Okay, now the institutions are always having to mitigate their imbalances. So they've created an imbalance here. So we will need to wait for the market to come back to this drop-based rally. So if it drops into this place, we wait for our confirmation and we shoot for a buy. Now we also have a drop-based rally here, so it can also come in here and look for this. So once the market come into this place, I'll go to my 30-minute or 1 hour to look for my lower time frame confirmation, and I'm good to go. So guys, I am really expecting this guy to push up maybe between now and Thursday so that we can have a buy on this USD Chef. Okay, good. Don't forget, if you have questions, you want to drop it below, and any pair you are looking out for this week, you can also drop it below so we can all walk through together. Don't forget to complete this video because there's a lot I'm going to be sharing for you on this video. Now the next pair I'm looking at is AUD Chef also, and the reason why I'm looking at AUD Chef is because it's also on a monthly demand, and whenever the monthly continuation, which is pulling from 3 months demand. So if you go, you see a drop base rally. So this is why the market is dealing in this demand. And if you have picked this trade here, come on guys, congratulations, as we're going to be expecting it to push up more. On this basis, we'll go to where? We go to daily time frame, and on daily time frame you can see that the market has been obeying drop base drop buy, drop base drop buy, drop base drop, drop base drop buy, and rally base rally buy. Okay, so right now we're expecting a retracement back into this drop base drop. When the market comes into this drop base drop, then we're going to be looking for a buy. So I'm going to go from here to 4 hours chart, and on 4 hours chart I'm going to be looking out for an entry. So this is also a continuation trade. Okay, so this is my break of structure. Okay, and you can see I have a higher high, a higher low on this. So I need to see the market retrace into this place. Mr. Mayowa, since I know it's coming down here, why can't I sell here? Yes, you can't sell here if you know how to trade reversal. Okay, if you know how to trade reversal, obviously you can sell here, but I'm not of the, I only trade reversals on higher time frame. I don't trade reversals on lower time frame, which are counter trends. Okay, I rather focus on continuation, enjoy the move, and you're good to go. So I'm expecting the market to retrace down back here to 67,750 zone. Then we can use that to go to 69 and to go to 700 on AUD-CHF. Okay, so that is my view on AUD-CHF. Guys, don't forget, it's just my bias. You have to make your own check-ins before you go in there. Okay, another one I had is a Mexican peso. Mexican peso is an exotic pair, okay, and this particular pair is currently riding on a continuation pattern. Okay, so and this is a continuation move here. So this is our buy trend line. Okay, and we have a drop base rally. So this becomes our demand zone. Whoosh. Okay, and you guys can see that the market is already on the demand zone. Okay, so you have to wait for lower time frame confirmation, which I am waiting for right now. You can use your daily chart. I'll be waiting for a retracement back to this rally, drop base rally, somewhere here for a buy. Okay, you can see that it has a break of structure already. So if this market can come here by Wednesday or Thursday, that will be a buy zone. Okay, but this is a bit wide right now, and because it's an exotic pair, you want to make sure you are careful. Don't trade it on a $100 account or $50 account. You want to make sure your trade is a good tradable size account that you can trade USD CNH on. Okay, so this has to drop lower and you're good to go. Okay, it has to drop into this place, and you have to still go to like 30 minutes or 15 minutes to pick the trade. So you have to have your own lower time frame confirmation checklist, so that will allow you to trade this on a lower time frame. Okay, so that's the third analysis for this week. And the last but not the least, because I don't want this video to be longer than this, is GBP NZD. And GBP NZD has been on our mind in the group for a while. As a matter of fact, it's currently on a continuation zone 2 right now. So all you need to do is to wait for your confirmation. This is a buy, continuation, you have a break of structure here, and you have a drop base rally on weekly time frame. So from here, if you have to now go to 4 hours and wait, trade your confirmation entry here. You don't jump in, guys. You must wait to see confirmation. If there's confirmation, you trade. If there's no confirmation, you stay away from the trade. Okay, so that is why you're here. And one of the setup I can see right now here is because there is already an engulfing candle, which I taught you as an entry strategy. So if you go with that, this will be 123 pips. So 123 pips, 1 to 5. Okay, that'll be your TP1 at the close of today's trade. Okay, or you come here for 1,000 pips, TP2. Okay, but in ITC, this trade, this is too much. This stop loss is too much. Okay, because this stop loss is too much, you have to narrow to 2 hours to 1 hour, as far as 3 hours, so that you can nail it off and get the best entry that you can get. Okay, make sure you obey the rules, guys. That is the essence of trading. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if this is your first time. Okay, and in the episode coming up in this week, we're going to be showing you exit strategies, and I also have a major announcement that I'll be sharing with you guys in the course of the week. You don't want to miss out in all of this. To your success, guys, have a pleasant week. Make sure you plan your trade and trade your plan. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out, guys.